Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange for Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This was the week ending July 7th, 2019. This was a holiday week. This happened on Monday. This was a short on the QQQ. Now the QQQ of course is an ETF for the NASDAQ 100. I typically like to trade the futures when I do the market, of course, like most of you probably do. But I like to manage the trade from the QQQ chart for a variety of reasons. And also since the room is not officially what I call a futures room, I like to post the QQQ, and those who want to trade in one of the leveraged ETFs that are double or triple the QQQ could do it that way as well. But this is basically a short on the market. This is based on a Tier 2 Novice gap on Monday when it gapped up. Entry on a 1-minute retest and failure pattern. It was a more secure entry because the gap was not crystal clear if, when, or how much it would fall. And the management advance reward to risk 2.3 to 1. I did do a good job managing this particular trade. Coming up this week at DTS, one big thing going on Tuesday evening, I will be doing a free event for everybody called Keep It Simple. It'll be an interesting topic. That'll be at 5 o'clock on Tuesday. Daily chart of the market. Right here is the daily chart, and this is how it looked before the gap up. We were going to gap to right there, and that's how it looked after we gapped up. And naturally, I was trying to capture as much of that red bar as I could. Here's the hourly chart, a little better view of what's going on in the big picture of the hourly chart. The gap up on the hourly chart went to right there, and here's how it looked after the day of the trade. 5-minute chart gives us our detail on a little better look at the entry and the targets. There were 3 targets taken. 5-minute chart, there's where the gap was, right to the beginning of that red bar right there. I expanded the chart so that the prior day is not even on the scale because it's way down below us. To leave it on there would have compressed this chart so much it would be hard to see some of the detail. Entry we'll see a little bit better on the 1-minute chart, but is in that third bar on the 5-minute chart. Target 1 all the way down there, 189.16, middle of lunch on a nice new breakdown. I had lowered the stop, of course, at some point, but I didn't have to use it when we were consolidating in here, so that was lucky it made it all the way there for target number 1. Target number 2 on a nice drop on that rally at the end of lunch, and the target 3 trailed out coming over that consolidation right through here into the end of the day, and it was a good trail because the market did rally back a little bit more after that. A little more detail on the 1-minute chart. All you can really see here is the entry. The entry came underneath that green bar right in there, and all the targets are off the chart because the first target was taking in the middle of lunch, and this chart only goes out to about 11 o'clock, so the targets are all off the chart to the right. For those of you who like this trade or to watch the other ones, you can watch a lot of these trades on the website at DTS on the free stuff page. If you're seeing this on YouTube, if you hop over to the DTS free stuff page, you'll see a bunch of these, including an archive page. And if you'd like to participate or be part of the DTS Trading Room where all these trades are done, you can take a trial to the Trading Room. Just visit the services page at DTS. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.